in here that take you, say, right, but then they curve. And then you just end up deeper in the woods. So, yeah. Stick to the trails, or go with somebody who knows the trails and that can show you. And then this way, bud. Another bridge up there. Come on, buddy. So anyway, yeah, you can go with somebody that knows the hiking trail, and they'll show you like the landmarks to look for, whether it be a big rock or a tree with a arrow on it, or a fallen tree, whatever. But you can pick up on the landmarks. And exploring new trails, it's just a good idea to do a search on them. And most trails are marked now, and you can use like applications like All Trails, or even Google Earth. Like, most hiking trails are marked off, like GPS located and all that stuff. So and you can zoom right in, and if the trails are marked like All Trails, that application, you can zoom right in and look at how the trail winds around. And if you have your GPS locator on, it'll pinpoint you on that trail and where you're at. And you can just look for, like, it'll show if there's any trails off of it, and where the trail starts and stops. And so there's a lot of good tools out there now that make it really